Hello to all my friends out there, and I want to show you something. Okay, this is a little heater I bought for $4 at the thrift store. Super round heater for $5. And so last summer, you know, I was obsessed with cheap RV living. Still am. You guys should watch that channel. And so I bought this little heater, and could I sell it? Yeah, it's starting to get cold. I could probably sell it. So if you make a habit, let's say if you say, okay, my utilities are getting a little bit high, and I'm going to use this little heater for heat. You know, I'm not going to turn on the central heater. This is cute. I bought this at a thrift store. And then look what they have for the dogs for $1. Chicken, coconut milk, remember the linoleic acid, even for dogs, chia seeds, linoleic acid. So, you know, even toy and small breeds. Oh no, Char the dog will like these. That's the best way to teach them tricks. Okay, so now, what did I bake? I baked bread and I baked banana muffins. The reason I baked bread is because today I want to make some little pizzas with the rest of my pizza sauce I had from last night. Okay, that wrap I made with the pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and pizza sauce from Little Caesars Pizza. Oh, that was good. I should have exhibited. I'm having a Diet Pepsi tea party. So anyway, I think these two recipes are really going to be good. I mean, that is a good looking loaf of bread. Let's see what happened. I just baked this. Ooh, yummy. Another thing. Okay, I think I have arrived on a... Wow, this looks better than my bread. If you get good recipes, your stuff is going to come out good. This is better than my bread. I'm ditching all my bread recipes. The reason I need homemade bread is for bread and gravy, and then, you know, meat and cheese sandwiches. Let me give you another shot of the recipe. If you want to see how I made it, you can just scroll down. And I got that recipe book free. Then I got this. I think this is going to be the same thing with my banana bread. I wanted to use, I want to use my bananas up. And so I made a half a batch, and I used 2 bananas, and you know, for a half a batch. So there's a lot of banana in this. But these banana muffins smell so good. You know, I have gone out of my way to come up with banana recipes. And this is good because it's some whole wheat flour. But what I want to do is, ooh, these look good. What I use half wheat and half white. If you're not accustomed to wheat, they say use, all right, let me taste this. Life is good, you guys. I got this cookbook for 10 cents. Okay, we'll be back with some snacks. God bless you all.